Hi, in the next few minutes you will meet the state-of-the-art technology device that can significantly protect your personal data and prevent ID theft. I present you the iWallet, a portable hard case that fits in your pocket, tamper-resistant, which you can only open if it recognizes your fingerprint. Imagine being able to protect your identity, cash, credit cards, and the most valuable information to you. It tethers via Bluetooth with your phone or tablet, so when you separate them from the iWallet by more than 10 meters, audible alarms will go off, alerting you if you left one of them behind or if you've been pickpocketed. According to the latest research from the credit card companies, 43% of all identity thefts are obtained through stolen wallets. iWallet has been featured on Fox News, the BBC, the Travel Channel, PBS, and many other TV news shows. It took first place as the best product in USA Today for 2014. Now let me tell you something about the manufacturing company. It was founded in 2009 by Steve Kabuli. iWallet Corporation became a public company in 2014 and trades at the OTC market under the ticker symbol iWALL. iWallet Corp is launching its latest product, the iPassport, which has been designed to protect your most valued asset when you travel abroad, your passport. RFID theft is on the rise. The way it works is the following. Your credit card information can be stolen within a few yards from you through apps sold in the black market and that hackers install on their phones. So remember, when you think about protecting your personal data against RFID theft, think iWallet.